this is not over. Okay, so even if you think it is, it's going to resurrect and come back together. We've got a person here who's going to come in and be quite forceful in a good way to kind of try and come back into your life. I feel as though you've been in a place of emotional turmoil and you don't really know what to do. It's showing that there's concerns about, you know, things just going around and around and never really kind of moving forward in the direction that you want. This person is in. You've got the resurrection of it there. So this means something starting over again, kind of making it work in a better way. So yeah, if you feel like you've not spoken to a person for a long time, or you just feel like there's no way back from where you are with this person, there is. Okay, you're going to get your wish. It's just a case of the timing by the looks of things. There's reconciliation as well. So if you are separated at the moment and you're thinking it's over for good and that's it, or you've had a fallout and it feels like it's done, it's final, it's not. You have a new beginning. You have healing and a new beginning with this person coming in. It just shows that there's kind of been an imbalance here. So, you know, maybe that needed to be ironed out so that you can move forward. Does show you have a lot of fun with this person. You have to be careful that you don't have too much fun with this person and that you get the serious side of things fixed up. Now, if this person's been ignoring you, then know that they're coming back, because there's a big change coming here with this. It just shows they're getting the courage to come forward. And it's just showing next year is going to come faster than you think. And during that next year, you're going to get the commitment you've been looking for. Okay, so it isn't over. However, what is over is the feeling of being unappreciated, the conflicts that you've been having, this no strings attachment that you may have developed between each other, or kind of a feeling where it couldn't move to real romance. You're going to be going on dates, getting to know one another in a better way. So it's kind of, you might know each other very well, but you're going to get to know each other on a different level, starting over, starting from the basics and kind of learning about each other all over again. That's part of what a soul connection is. As you both change, you then relearn about each other. Just given February there as a month that it could be of significance. And it does show here you might feel shattered and drained by all of this, but I can assure you it's coming back around, and when it does, it's going to be better. This person's going to be more responsible this time, okay? I feel like neither of you been able to move on. It just shows blocks there. This person loves you. You love them. Just kind of try to make sure that you say all you need to say at the beginning of this when it starts back up again, and then you can kind of openly receive what is on offer this time. I feel as though boundaries are important, and this person also needs boundaries in order for the relationship to flourish. It's just showing here this person hasn't stopped thinking about you or looking for you in any way that they can. You're on the mind constantly, but they might be coming across as not interested, and like I said at the beginning, ignoring you. They're not. It's just they're kind of been taking the time to work themselves up to a position where they can come in and do this. Divine timing is at play here, so trust me, it's not over.